At Solar Power of Oklahoma, we're powering things that matter. There's a reason solar energy has grown by an average of 43% per year over the last decade. Gone are the days when having a residential solar power system was too expensive for most people. Federal tax credits have made it even easier for homeowners to get their own system installed, and financing options let many customers get a system for little or no money down. And the savings keep coming. More and more homeowners are learning how a solar generation system can save money on monthly energy bills. Paired with a battery storage option, a solar system can also add a layer of reliability to your home's power, so you can keep the lights on in an emergency, even if the traditional power grid fails. So, is solar power right for you? There's an easy way to find out. Simply make an appointment with one of our solar advisors, and we'll help you determine the cost savings you could expect with one of our systems. It sounds complicated, but it isn't. One of our solar advisors will come to you, and the appointment takes less than an hour. We're Oklahoma owned and operated, and we stand by our word. So, are you ready to start saving money on your electric bill? Set up your appointment today, and we'll show you how. We'd be honored to earn your trust and your business.